Welcome to Community Live 2026. Over the last 2 years, we launched 25 new cloud AI and agentic services. We had 45 releases of the foundational ECM technologies, critical to realizing the agentic enterprise. Now, we're entering yet another era.
We still see that 70 to 90% of your enterprise data is in PDFs, scanned documents, images, Slack threads, contracts.
It's so valuable that your knowledge workers spend a meaningful portion of their day extracting these insights. We call that human ETL.
AI lives, breathes, and eats the type of data that you manage in ECM systems. You are the stewards of the largest untapped data source in the world.
We previously haven't been able to give structure to unstructured data. We now live in a world where we can do that, and all of these document-centric tasks and workflows can be automated.
Harness that power. Be a data hero for your organization.
Across every industry, these solutions will accelerate mission-critical work, but always with people in control.
This provides us with a wonderful balance, right? We have speed where certainty exists and human judgment where it matters the most.
Healthcare doesn't have an information problem. It has a context problem. When Hyland handles the healthcare content complexity, clinicians get clarity, and patients like Mary get better care.
Hyland is here to support your transformation journey safely, pragmatically, and with value unlocked at every step along the way.
And the control tower gives you a bird's eye view of your entire AI workforce, from development to live operations.
You're all sitting on an immense amount of intelligence in unstructured data. And if you take that information and reimagine your business, it'll give immediate business value.
I can do quite a lot of good with a stethoscope, but actually we can harness the power of AI to deliver smarter, safer, kinder care. We're essentially living in an agentic world. There's a massive opportunity cost in not leaning in, and I think the time's now.
And it starts with content management as your foundation. And from there, have all of those activities happen at machine speed, accelerated, and bring joy back to the job. Caregivers did not go to their favorite university or college to get a degree in human ETL. They became nurses and doctors for a reason, so that they could spend their time focused on elevating and accelerating patient care. The technology exists. The industry-leading partner in Hyland exists. You, content experts that have dedicated your careers to this craft, you exist. So if not you, then who? And if not now, then when? And that is exactly why Next starts now. Yes!